This is the documentation section where the comment lines can be right here. The hash include stdio.h is the standard input and output operation where the printf and scanf functions can be stored in the C library and taken from this through this line. The console input and output operation is the extensions of the printf and output and input operations. The hash include math.h is tells the mathematical operations like sine and cosine. The definition section, in the definition section we can define any variable like pi value, pi is equal to 3.152 for the exact value. Accuracy value, we can write 6 values after the float point. The global declaration float x comma y comma theta comma r tells the declaration through any of the among two functions. Next, void polar to rectangular. Here the functions are used to polar to rectangular conversion and rectangular to polar conversion. First of all, the polar to rectangular conversion is a subblock where the source code can be implemented. Void polar to rectangular, void rectangular to polar are the two subfunctions, and void main is the main function, and the main function starts from here. Void main, and in the void main we can select the choice of which conversion from to another conversion. So in choice we have to clear the screen the previous output on the output display. So the previous outputs are cleared here, and the to user we have to give the data like select the choice one polar to rectangular to polar. So printing the select choice to understand the user select choice, and new slash and backward slash n is the new line. Printf 1 is equal to polar to rectangular conversion choice 1, and choice 2 is the rectangular to polar conversion respectively. Slash n goes to new line, the cursor will to goes to next line. Rectangular to polar conversion is the second choice. Through scanf function, the choice will be scanned from the display output display. So choice has a constant either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, the choice is stored with either 1 or 2. If choice is equal to 1, we are using here if choice is equal to 1, here relational operator is used double is equal to 1. If we use only 1 is equal to, then we are assigning 1 into choice, not so we are using double is equal to relational operators. Then polar to rectangular, the cursor will goes to the subfunction of the source code where the polar to rectangular block. Next, choice if choice is equal to 2, then the cursor will goes to rectangular to polar conversion where the source code of the rectangular to polar block exists. And getch is the character. Getch is the character of output to display the character. Here the subfunction of polar to rectangular starts from here, polar to rectangular form. This is the function definition of polar to rectangular block. Printing the essential details to the user. Enter the polar coordinates, that is r comma angle. R is the magnitude or radius, and printing the details exactly. Enter the radius or magnitude, radius, radius, slash n goes to new line, and enter the angle in which is in degree. We are not takes the angle in radians, so taking the angle in degree. After the scanf, by the scanf function, we are going to take the r and degree to the device. Percentage f is the format specifier of float, and slash n backward slash n is the escape sequence where the sequence of printing can be goes to new line. The theta is in degrees, so while calculating the theta we have to convert the theta into radians. So the theta is equal to theta into pi by 180 is the formula, capital pi, where we declared in the definition section, pi by 180. Semicolon is the termination of the line. X is equal to r into cos theta is the formula of the real term calculation. X is equal to r into cos of theta, termination with semicolon. Y is equal to, similarly y is equal to r into r asterisk sin theta, semicolon. Then we have the x and y values where the real term and imaginary term. So printing these two values using printf function. The real term x is equal to percentage of, where the percentage of is the format specifier of the float, not percentage d, percentage of. Imaginary term is equal to percentage f, again comma x comma y, where the values are printed. Curve brackets is the end of the subfunction of polar to rectangular conversion. Again the next subfunction, rectangular to polar conversion, where the user, if the user selected the option 2, choice 2, printf entering the details, printing the details in the output to understand the user easily, enter the rectangular coordinates, slash n goes to new line of the cursor. Again printf enter the imaginary and real term. The rectangular form has real and imaginary term that are x and y, so entering the user and scanning through scanf function. Enter the real term, slash n goes to new line, backward slash, enter the imaginary term, tr, and scanning these two values through scanf function. Format specifier of float is percentage of, two values are here, so 2 percentage of, comma, the values are r comma, the values are x comma y, that is address of x comma address of y, ampersand. The formula of magnitude finding is r is equal to root of x square plus y square. So using the square root sqrt, where is defaultly stored in the C library sqrt function using x into x square plus y into y function, semicolon for end of the termination of the line. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse can be represented as a10 here in C programming. So tan inverse a10 of y by x forward by whole bracket. So this theta in radians, we are converting the radians into degree, which when we convert a reverse of form of the polar to rectangular form above subfunction. So theta is equal to theta into 180 by pi. So we have two values r and theta that will be converted using the subfunction. So printing these values by using printf statement, the magnitude is equal to, or the radius is equal to, format specifier percentage of, and escape sequence goes to new length backward slash n, the angle, this angle is in degrees, we have converted the above line, the angle is equal to percentage d. The values to be printed are r comma theta comma r comma theta. Finally we have to write the bracket for the termination of the whole program, subprogram only, subprogram. Then we are running, there are some errors, konya.h and int, okay, int and console input. We have to save it, the name saved file successfully, and run this. First of all, we are converting to polar to rectangular by giving the input 1. The information will be like this, and giving values 13 and 90 degrees. The real term 0.004 13 imaginary term, and similarly we are entering the same values and finding the x and polar values 1390. Yes, we got successfully 1390. So the compilation is finished.